Hello guys, good morning. Now we will continue our chapter 13 class 10th mathematics. We have covered one exercise in this chapter statistics. Now we will continue our chapter with mode of group data. Now first question, what is mode? We know mode in previous class, that means in class 9th. This is the maximum frequency of any number. That means maximum frequency of any number is defined as a mode. Now here we will try to understand on the basis of grouped data, and in class 9th we have covered the topic maximum frequency of any number which was in ungrouped data. Here look at here number of wickets and number of matches. Now this is the maximum, so this will be this number 2 will be mode of the data. Now this is ungrouped data. For grouped data we will meet a class interval. Now this is the formula to find out the mode for grouped data. Now this is the lower limit. Suppose L and M, then this is a lower limit, this is a upper limit, so we will use only lower limit. Now plus here three types of frequency. One is F1, F2 and F0. Now this is the frequency of this model class, this class interval. Now this is preceding and this is succeeding frequency. That means this frequency is for succeed after in model class after M, and this is the frequency of model class before L. Clear? This is the whole understanding about this formula. Now we will try to understand mode on solving this exercise 13.2. So let's start. Now look at this question here. The following table shows the age of the patients admitted in hospital during a year. Here age in years is given that. Now here number of patients is given that. Now number is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. 6 is related from 5 to 15, 11, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 21 patients. Now 35 to 45, 23 patients. Now this is more. This will be. Now question says that find the mode and mean. That means we should find out the mode and mean, and we will have to compare and interpret the two measure of central tendency. Now first we will try to find out the mode. Mean. First we will try to find out mean, then we will try to find out the mode. Now we will put this table in vertical. Now here look at this table. Here we have put it here. First we should try to verify 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 6, 11, 21, 23 and 14 and 5. Correct? Now Here, what will be the xi? That means we are not able to define age confirmly, so we will a mid value, we will take mid value, that means we will take average value. Then 5 to 15 we will take middle value. What will be middle? This will be 10 and this will be 20 and this will be 30, this will be 40, this will be 50, this will be 60. Now what di will be? Here we will take one point which is such that this is a 30, this is a, then di will be, here it will be minus 20, minus 10, this will be 0, this will be 10, this will be 20, this will be 30. Now what will be the FIDI? This will be minus 120, minus 110, 0, then it is 230, then this is a 280 and now this will be 150. Now calculate the value. Now what will be the total number of patients? If we add 617, 718, 83, 11, 11, 4, 15, 15, 5, 20, 20, that means 0, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 5, 5, 2, 7, 7, 1, 8. So this is 80. Now sum of this will be, first we should subtract here 150, here 120, then we will get 30, and if we subtract 30, then here we will get 80, minus 80, and this 200, and here 230 and 200, that will be 430. So x bar will be, here we have subtracted, we have taken assume mean, here a we have, and we have subtracted, then we will have to add in formula. So here first we will add 30, then 430 by 80, we first we solve it, then this will be 30 plus 5.375. What we will get? We will get 35.375. This is the mean of the data, given data. Now here we will try to find out the value here. Now next point was mode. So first we should look up which has maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 23. Here this 23. Now then model class for this maximum frequency, this is 35 to 45. This is the model class. Now here this value will be lower limit and this will be upper limit, so we will have to take lower limit. Then this here the frequency, this is f1 this is F0. Now F1, F0 and F2. Clear? Now we got information about F1, F0 and F2. F1, F0 and F2. Now what will be the mode? Then we will write mode here. Mode will be, first we should write formula L plus F1 here, F1 minus F0, then here 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Clear? Now here what is the value of a lower limit? That is 35. So put here 35, then put the value of F1. What is the value of F1? That is 23. Now what is the value of F0? That means preceding frequency, that is 21. Now what is the value of F1? This is 23. Now here F0 will be 21. Now this will be 14. And size of the class, how can I calculate? If we subtract upper limit minus lower limit, 45 minus 35, any number, 15 minus 5, this is the 10. So we should take 10. Now solve this. That means simplify. This is 35. Now here this will be 23 minus 21, this will be 2. Here 10, then it will be 20. Now here 23 to the 46 minus 415 213, 35. Then 35 plus 20 by 6 minus 5, that means 1. 4 minus 3 by 1. Then 35 plus 1.81, and this will be 36.8, or we can write 1. So this is the mode. Well, that means it represents year as well, and mode here mean is given that 35.37 and mode is given that 36.81. So maximum number of patients admitted at the age of 36.81 year in the hospital. Clear? Because mode always gives the maximum frequency maximum occurring of any data. This type of information is taken by mode. Now we should move on next question. Now look at this question. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes of 225 electrical components. Here lifetime in hours: 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Now frequency is given that according in successive order respectively. This is frequency 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Now here this is the maximum frequency. Now Here maximum frequency is given, that here we will have to find out model lifetimes of the components. So this is the maximum frequency, so this will be model class, and now this will be L. If this is L, so this will be frequency which is F1. Now this will be F0 and this will be F2. So what will be the mode of the, here mode will be, according to formula, this will be L. Here this will be, here will be F1 minus F0. Now this will be 2F1 minus F0 and F2. Here this will H. Now put the value. Now L will be 60, F1 will be 61 minus F0 will be 52 and 2 into 61 minus 52 and 38. H will be 80 minus 60. What will be? 20 in each class. This is the size. Now solve this. Here $60 plus this will be 9 and 20. Here 261, that means 122 minus here 8 to 10, 538, that means 90. In nothing is, and then again simplify this. 9 into 20 by, here it will be 32. Now cancel out. This will be, here 4 5 is 20 and 4 8 is 32. So this will be 60 plus 45 by 8. Then 60 plus, here it will be 8 5 is 40. Now here then it will be 50. 8 6 is 48. So 8 2 is 16 and 8 5 is 40. Now this will be 65.625. So this is the electrical components in hours. Clear? Now this is the answer. Now we should move on next question. Now this is third question. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So first we have to find out mode. So model family. That means mode will be, first we should find out where is the maximum frequency. So first find out where is the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is of 40. This is the big number. So model class of this is 1500, 2000. So this will be L and this will be F1, this will be F0 and this will be F2. Clear? Now we have every information. Now size of this size will be H will be 500. Now put here value first according to formula, that is L plus here F1 minus F0 here into H, here 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. So put the value. L is 1500 plus F1 is 40. Now and F0 will be 24. So 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into 500. Now solve this, simplify this. Here this will be 1500, here this will be 6 and this will be 16. Now 80 minus here this will be 437 235, so 57. Now this will be 500. Then here this will be 1500 plus 16 into 500. Now this will be 3, that means 23. Now we'll have to solve this. Here this will be 1500 plus, so 16 5 ja 80, so 8000, here 23. Now solve this. After solving we will get, here after dividing we will get 347.826. Now this will be 1847.826, and we can write significant digit 1847 in significant value. This will be 3 because this is greater than 5, so 83. This is the model expenditure in monthly. Now according to question we'll have to find out the value of mean as well. So first we should write this number of families in well mannered. Now here this the family, here we will have to write 24 40 33, here 28. Now this is 30 22 16 and 7. Now here we will have to write xi because this is in class, so we'll have to write each class in average. So this will be 1000 and 1500. Then what will be middle value? 1250. Clear? Now this will be 1750 and this will be 2250. Here we'll have to calculate the value. Here there is difference 500 difference because that is the size. So this will be 2750 and this will be 3250. Now this will be 3750. Now this will be 4250. Now this will be 4750. Now number of family is given that 200, so if we add it, we can get 200 as well here. That means this is sigma fi. This is fi. Now here because this is the big number, so we should assume the mean method. What we should take the value? Suppose this is a middle term. If we take 275 as a, now here di will be xi minus a. Now after subtracting, we can get minus 1500. This will be 10,000, that means 1000, and here this will be minus 500, and this will be 0, 500 and 1000, and this will be 1500, this will be 2000. So here this will be, because this is bigger, so we have to move on step deviation method. So here 0 0, so we will have to divide a sides of the club, because this is the multiple of 500, so we can divide di by h, and h will be 500. Clear? Now after dividing, what we will get? This will be 5 3 is 15, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and now here 0, here it will be 1 2 3 and 4. Now what is the value of fi ui? This is the rule. Now fi ui, multiply this will be minus 72, this will be minus 80, this will be minus 33, and now this here 0, this will be 30, this will be 44, this will be 48, this will be 28, after solving we will get minus 35. Clear? Now this is the sigma fi and ui. Now what is the formula for mean here? What we have subtracted, what if we have subtracted, then we will have to add it. So a, we will have to add it, which is 2750. Then we have divided by s, then we will have to multiply in this. Now this is minus 35 and this is 200. Now here h is given that, which is 500. Now solve this. Here 2750 minus 35 by here 5 by 2, and if we multiply 2750, here it will be 87.5. Now this will be the value 2662.5. This is the monthly expenditure on behalf of me. in rupees. This is the whole answer. Now we'll have to move on next question, question number 4. Now this is fourth question. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the 2 meters. Okay, here given data. So first we will try to find out mode, which is very simple. Now look at where is maximum frequency. This is maximum frequency, so it will be f1. Now this will be f0, and now this will be f2. Clear? Now opposite direction, this will be model class, so here this 30 will be L. Clear? This is the whole understanding. Now what is the mode? That is very simple. Write L. L is 30, then here put plus. Now here we will have to find out f1 minus f0. 10 minus 9. Here put 10 minus 9. Now here what is the h? H will be 5. So here put 5. Now here 2f1, 2 into 10 minus f, here 2f1 we have used, so minus f0, and f2 minus 9 minus 3. Now here this will be 30 plus 10 minus 9 1, so here 5. Now 2 10 are 20, 20 minus 9 3 12, 20 minus 12, that will be 8. So 30 5 by 8, so it will be 0.625. 625. So this will be 30.6. We can use 6 as well, approximate value. Now we'll have to move on to find out the value of mean. The same process here, we will have to find out mean. First we should write fi. Here fi will be 3 8 9 10 3 0 0 2. Now write the value of xi, which will be, xi will be 15, middle value of 15 and 20, that will be 17.5. so here this will be 17.5, 22.5. now this will be 27.5. now this will be 32.5 according 5, because this is the size. Now this will be 37.5. now this will be 42.5. now this will be 47.5. now this will be 52.5 xi. Now what is the value of di? Xi minus a. So we'll have to choose xi. A is the middle value, so we can just choose 32.5. so this is a. Now here put the value of, what will be the value of di? This will be minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, so this will be 0, and reverse it, 5 10 15, this will be 20. Now here we have got di. This is the multiple of 5 according class size, so we can find out ui, which is di by 5. Here 5 is taken as h. Now what will be the value? Here this will be, if we divide After dividing, we will get minus 3, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, so minus 2, minus 1, and this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, what is the value of Fi and Ui? So, this will be minus 9, minus 16, minus 9, 0, 3, 0, 0, 8, minus 23. This is the whole calculation. Now this is the value of sigma Fi Ei after adding. Now here we have sigma Fi. What will be the sigma Fi after adding? We will get here 10, 3, 3, 6, 6, 2, 8, 8, 2, 16, 16, 24, 25, 25, 20, 25, and 10, that will be 35. So this is the sigma Fi. Now, what will be the value of mean? First, that is the very simple. Mean will be, that means x bar. Here x bar will be first a is 32.5, so first 32.5 and plus, here minus 23 is given that, and here this is 35, and h is given that is 5. After solving it, we will get 32.5. Here this is minus, so put as a minus and solve this. 5 7 ja 35, and if we divide, we will get 3.28. Now this will be here. After solving this, we will get 29.22. This is the main value. Clear? Now we should move on next question. Question number 5. Now this is question number 5. Here the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top best batsmen of the world in one day international cricket matches. Now run scored here given that number of batsmen. Now find the mode of the data. That is very simple here, because mean is very lengthy process, and here this is the maximum frequency, so this will be F1, this will be F0, and this will be F2. Now here this will be L, and H will be the differences, H will be 1000. Clear? I got the everything here. Now find out the value of mode. So that is very simple. First, what is the value of L? That is 4000 plus F1 minus F0. So first subtract, then F1 minus F0, that means 18 minus 4. Now 2F1, 2 into 18 minus F0 and F2. F0 is 4 minus F2, that means 9, here into 1000. Clear? This is the mode. Simplify this. What we will get here, 4000 plus 18 minus 4, that will be 14, and here this will be 36 minus 13, that means 1000. Now solve this. 4000 minus 14, here this will be 23, here 40, here 23. Solve this. 4000 minus, if we divide, we use calculator here. Now 608.695, 4608 here plus will be, so dot 695. This is the whole, this is the mode of the data, given data. Now we'll have to move on next question. Now this is the last question, question number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Okay, here first for mode, this is the maximum frequency. If this is the maximum frequency, this will be F1. Now this will be, after this will be F2, and previous this will be F0. This will be L. Now differences will be 10. This will be H, size of the class. Now what will be the mode? Mode is very simple, L plus F1 minus F0, here 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Now put the value here. L will be 40 plus F1 will be 20 minus F0 will be 12. Now 2 into 20 minus F0 will be 12 minus 11. Here this will be, H will be 10, here 10 because 10 is. Now solve this. What will be the value? After solving, we will get, we first simplify. This will be 8 into 10, so it will be 80. Now 40 minus 213 and 112. So 40 plus 80 by, here 40 minus 23. Now what will be, after solving we will get 10 minus 3, that means 7, 3 minus 2, that means 1. So 40 plus, first we should divide it. Divided, what will be 17 4 ja, then 4.7 here will be. Now then this will be 44.7, this will be answer. So mode of the data is 44.7 cars. Now this is the whole value of mode. Now we have covered this exercise on the basis of mode, that means 13.2 fully. Now in next video we will cover 13.2 exercise, 13.3 exercise. So wait and watch. Thank you for your dedication. Thank you guys.